At a time when the information war in social media is intense, a political vlogger and content creator explains why the Dutertes must be included in content for it to go viral. MJ Mondihar reports.
In the Philippines, social media has become a major part of the daily lives of the people. It is also one of the primary sources of news and information for many Filipinos, especially in political issues. For content creator Boss Dada TV, Filipinos now have become more politically aware because of social media. Based on his experience, for content to go viral, the Dutertes must be included.
Ay oo, ano yan, importante yan. Kasi alam nila partner na yung mga Duterte crowd, yung DDS kung tawagin, very passionate yan. Oo, talagang active yung mga yan, nakatutok yung mga yan.
Boss Dada TV or Darwin Salcedo in real life says that even some media organizations critical of the Dutertes are now including their names in interviews and content.
Kaya kapag ikaw gusto mo sumikat, aawayin mo si Duterte, magsasabi ka naman kung ano-anong mga masasamang salita sa mga Duterte kung gusto mo sumikat.
Based on the latest data from the Philippine Statistics Authority, 80.5% of Filipinos aged 10 to 64 use social media. This is equivalent to more than 68 million Filipinos who have daily access to the internet.
Sa panahon talaga simula nung 2016 talaga hanggang ngayon, grabe talaga naging namulat talaga yung mga Pilipino sa politika. Kaya ngayon ang style talaga sa social media, lalo na yung mga nagki-clickbait, ginagamit nila talaga yung subject nila. Duterte, si Sara Duterte, Pulong Duterte, si Pangulong Duterte, basta may Duterte talaga, tinitingnan na ng tao.
According to communication experts, the name Duterte is one of the strongest political brands in the Philippines, which is why it quickly generates reactions, whether positive or negative. Analysts add that the Duterte name carries strong emotional appeal, with both a solid base of supporters and strong critics. Because of this, engagement increases, such as comments, shares, and reactions. Under the algorithms of social media platforms, content with higher interaction is prioritized and distributed to more users, which is why it goes viral.
Kahit na hate views yan, o halimbawa ikaw sinira mo ang mga Duterte, o kahit hate views yan, pupuntahan ka sigurado ng mga followers ng mga Duterte. Kikita ka pa rin kasi dun kahit na murahin ka nila sa comment section, engagement yan. So ginagamit, nagre-rage bait sila partner para sa kita nila or sa engagement ng kanilang channel.
The political vlogger also called on the public to be discerning when consuming content on the internet. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondeha, SMNI News.